So my name is Brae Frenette. I'm from Prince Albert, Saskatchewan originally. I've lived in Saskatoon for the last 10 years, minus 2-ish years during COVID. I would say something that shaped me about my hometown. It's known as the gateway to the north, so definitely spending a lot of time outdoors doing those types of things around northern Saskatchewan and during like winter, summer, all seasons in Prince Albert. So I remember the exact moment actually. So I was with my wife, girlfriend at the time, and she said you should look into this program. So it was actually a PTA OTA program, so physio assistant program. And I hadn't really thought much about it, but you know, taking into consideration my interests and wanting to help people, I thought this could actually be a good career choice for me. So I did 1 year of schooling for that, and then I ended up pivoting and deciding that I wanted to pursue a career as a physiotherapist and not just an assistant. So that's how it all started out. I would say definitely seeing people reach their goals, seeing people get back to functioning the way that they used to, or doing things that helps them to reach those goals. So like one example that comes to mind is helping somebody stand up for the first time in like months or years. So I experienced something like that. It was super gratifying and just great to see somebody so happy and that I can be a part of that journey for them. My style is definitely a blend of education, exercise, and manual therapy. We like to say that physio is an art, so you kind of pick up things from either past clinical instructors, your mentors, and then like even staff that you work with or shadow. So you pick up little things from each person, kind of blend them all together, and then that kind of becomes your own style. So I've definitely came up with my own style from pieces that I've picked up along the way. Great patient care is definitely making the person feel like they're part of a family, and Mackey Physiotherapy is definitely that. You know, from the moment you walk in this door, it's definitely feeling like you're part of something. So between like patients, physios, admin staff, everybody, part of the whole organization is just one big family. So definitely think Mackey supports that. Manual therapy is a good tool to use for making people feel good, and then they're able to do their exercises after that. And the exercises are what's going to help them with the lasting impact and make those more permanent changes. So both are definitely super important for longevity. The most important thing is I want them to feel comfortable and confident that they're in good hands, for sure. Something my friends would say I'm known for, probably my hole-in-one that I got in golf last summer. All my friends like to joke around because I'm the worst golfer in our group, but I'm that one who ended up getting a hole-in-one, so it's all skill, not luck, I like to say. I would say I have quite a few hobbies and passions outside of the clinic, but number one for me would probably be lacrosse. It's something I've played since I was a kid, still playing today, but yeah, I've always enjoyed it, always had a lot of fun, met a lot of great people. So I've been part of that community starting in Prince Albert and then now in Saskatoon. So definitely something that I'm passionate about and I enjoy. To get pumped up, I would say I'm not super picky, something more upbeat for sure. I definitely like EDM, especially during workouts. So I would have to choose something probably EDM. I would say probably discipline. So whatever your goal might be, I think if you're keeping yourself accountable, your discipline, not only say if it's with your workouts, school, if you're keeping yourself accountable, you're disciplined, I think that'll set you up for success. I would like to think like I'm an approachable person, I have a good attitude, and I think I like to have fun, like to incorporate that humor into my therapy, and just whatever I can do to help people reach their goals. So what I would say to somebody that's thinking about starting the rehab journey with me, I would say start as soon as possible. No matter what stage you are in your fitness journey or rehab journey, if you're an older adult, younger person, doesn't matter. I'll be able to help you with whatever goals you have. I'm willing to meet you in the middle and do whatever it takes to help you the best that I possibly can.